happy friends, I have a fun little project share for you. This past weekend, actually Saturday evening, Tiffany McGill Crafting Like a Boss was live on her Facebook page, and she did a fun little advent calendar type box book. And it's a lot of fun. So I'm going to show you in just a second what's all in here, but definitely I know that she is going to be doing a tutorial for a smaller size like this. I did go a little rogue on my measurements, Tiffany, so I apologize for that, but that's because I did my boxes 2 inches by 2 inches. But anyway, the paper collection that I used is Holly Days by Simple Stories, and that is HOLLY Days. So I just thought these were super cute little images. I love the black and white snowflakes. I love the little village houses that are all decorated up for Christmas. And of course, we have a little vintage car with a Christmas tree tied on top. We have little Santa Claus. We have a little card to Santa Claus, North Pole. We have twinkle lights here, and then I have another one of the little ephemera cards in the back. The ribbon right here is from my most recent swap that I did with my group, Salty Beach Scrappers, and this was from Debbie Adams. So Creative Life by Deborah, and thank you so much. I went ahead and repurposed this ribbon. And then I also repurposed this super cute little wreath from Julie Deskins. And this was part of her packaging. And I thought, you know what? I want to keep this forever and ever. So I went ahead and I glued it onto this little advent calendar so I can just reuse this calendar over and over again each Christmas. And then I also added on the little traditions ephemera. And then back here I used some of this little scalloped ribbon type from the collection, and so I just had a lot of fun with it. So first of all, the measurements of this book are 6.5 inches by 5 inches, and this I made a little bit bigger so that I could fit my 2-inch size boxes. Okay, so I will not be doing a tutorial for this. You can watch Tiffany's tutorial. It is very similar. There's only a few things I did a little bit different, as in the sizing and then the type of box that I use. So I'm just going to open this up here real quick. And so you can see I didn't put them in any particular order because I thought my kids would have a little fun with this. There are 12 days. I know that Tiffany has a larger calendar, a medium-sized calendar, and then like a mini calendar. And this is kind of like in between a mini, I guess. I'm not really sure. But anyway, my boxes are approximately 2 inches by 2 inches. And they are actually pizza boxes. So I thought that was a little bit fun. So that's a little bit different than Tiffany's tutorial. So I'm a slow crafter, so this took me about a day and a half. And that's only because I went ahead and finished decorating it today, okay? And so it was easier for me to do the pizza boxes because I just wanted to get them done with fairly quickly, and I cut it out on my Cricut. Okay, so so I had to create the pizza cutting file and then went ahead and did this. But anyway, I thought it turned out to be super fun. So I have the boxes directionally downwards for these 3 and then directionally upwards for these 3. That way I don't have to like dig in there to open the box, or neither do my kids. So I just thought that was easier to do that. So and then here is the little plaid paper, and then of course I love the paper with the presents. Everything is just so stinking cute. I went ahead and used a little bit of rose gold. That was Tiffany's idea. I think she did gold. But all I had was rose gold in my stash. So I went ahead and used that with this, and I still think it turned out super cute. So I'm loving it, or copper, or whatever you want to call it. But I absolutely love this paper collection. It is so stinking cute. So definitely hope you all get a chance to do this. If you want to check out Tiffany's tutorial, I know she's going to be doing, again, like I said, the mini advent calendar pretty soon. And she'll be having a YouTube video for that, I believe. The only thing I will do a tutorial for you is I'll show you how to size these boxes in Cricut so that you can cut them. And then also, well, it'll be print and cut, and then or you can just hit cut. Either way, it'll work both ways. And then also I will give you the measurements for the book, which basically I did because, I mean, The chipboard was 2 inches by 6.5, and then I used 2 pieces of chipboard that are 5 inches by 6.5. So super easy, guys. I hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous day. Again, I'll have Tiffany's links down below, and I will be seeing you all soon, guys. Bye.